No questions. Everything is fine. How many of you configured replication, guys? Please raise your hands. Only 3 people configured replication. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and no one tried configuring replication. Okay. That's okay. That's fine. No issues. Okay. So any issues, any challenges while configuring replication, guys? Any issues if you faced, or it is very smooth, it went successful?
Yeah, sir. Only the problem is with the access only, sir. Access issue.
Access issue. Okay.
That's
So
it.
what is the issue with the access, Madhavi?
No, sir. When I password, if I given password wrong,
Okay.
so there it's not showing any error, sir. But
Okay.
finally, while executing that, they're showing it as incorrect password.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions, guys? Any doubts? Right. So in the last 2 classes, we discussed about the replication, guys. Okay. So types of replication. So how many types of replications we have?
4.
4.
Transaction, snapshot, merge, and peer-to-peer replication.
Correct. Okay. So what are the unidirectional? What are the bidirectional in those 4?
Transactional,
Snapshot and transactional
sir.
is unidirectional,
Merge and peer
merge
is
and
bidirectional.
bidirectional.
Right. Snapshot and transactional are unidirectional, and merge and peer-to-peer both are bidirectional. Okay. Very good. So unidirectional means what is meant by unidirectional? Unidirectional means
Unidirectional means publisher to subscriber
publisher
data.
to subscriber, the data will go, guys. Okay. So so anyone tried entering data from subscriber side? Is it accepting? I asked you to create a replication and then tried inserting data from subscriber side. Someone asked that question. I guess Raghu. Okay. So anyone tried, guys, inserting data or changing the data from subscriber side? Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So have you tried that inserting? Have you configured replication in your laptop?
No, sir. నిన్న అది యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ అది క్రాష్ అయింది సార్ దాన్ని.
Okay.
సో ద హోల్ డే ఐ టుక్ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తూ సరిపోయింది.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. So yeah. So what is the primary prerequisite for your transactional replication?
Primary key has
primary
to be
key
configured before configuration, sir.
Right. So you should have primary key. You have to create a primary key on the articles that you have that you want to add into your transactional replication. Okay. So if you want to add any article into the transactional publication, so we have to create a primary key on the particular article. Okay. So can an article be a part of multiple publications?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me, guys, can an article be a part of multiple publications? Same article, student table is there. Student table can be part of snapshot. Student table can be part of transactional. Student table can be part of merge. Is it possible, guys? The same table can be part of multiple publications? No.
No, sir.
Okay. So how many of you know, guys? No, yes, please send your messages in the chat. Yes or no? Okay, done. So in the meantime, so how many types of subscriptions are there we have?
Pull or push, there are two types.
Two types of
Two types.
subscriptions. We have push subscription and a pull subscription. So how to monitor the replication, guys?
Sir, launch.
Launch?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
Sir, in task launch monitor, sir.
Yeah, tell me that one only I'm asking. How to monitor replication? Of course, we didn't discuss it, but I just tell one point. Okay, earlier, monitoring replication and all. So we will discuss it once replication is completed. So what are the basic ways we can monitor your replication and all?
One is task and then launch
Launch replication monitor. Okay, guys, launch replication monitor is correct only. So we'll use launch replication monitor. Okay, for monitoring the replication, that's fine. Okay, we'll discuss about the replication monitor and all, how it will work, how to monitor from the replication monitor. Very excellent tool that is. Right. And what else? Yes, I'm giving you one assignment. Okay, so try to include the same article in multiple publications, guys. Okay, that is the assignment. And what are the assignments on Friday I gave you guys?
No, sir, only one.
Only one
assignment,
assignment.
sir.
What is that?
Yes, sir. That only, sir. I mean, I use it to.
Okay, try to add a
Yeah,
single
right.
article on multiple publications. Okay, and tell me, try it and let me know whether it is possible or not. Can we add a single article on multiple publications? Is it possible or not possible? Check it and let me know, guys. Okay, right. So today we'll discuss about the merge publication. So snapshot and transactional. Okay, snapshot. How many files will be created in the Ripple data folder once you create the snapshot? Can anyone tell me the file names?
Four, sir.
File
Dot
names.
S.
Extension.
Dot ID index. Dot
Okay.
BCP.
Okay.
And dot SCH and dot PRE.
Very good. Okay, so it's very important interview question. If you are going for more than 5 years of experience, definitely they will ask this question. If they have replication setup, guys, most of the people don't have replication setup. Most of the people means 60% they don't have replication setup. 40% replication setup will be there, and it's easy. It's not so difficult, guys. It's easy. So nothing to worry about the replication. So let's connect to my node 1. Okay, connect. So we'll discuss about the merge replication today, merge publication, merge replication. So in the merge publication, guys, what is the advantage? It's a bi-directional, okay? If you do any changes from the publisher, the changes will be applied on the subscriber. If you do any changes on the subscriber side, the same changes will be applied on the publisher side, bi-directional, you can see here. If you do any changes on the sales table, it will be applied on the subscriber sales table. If you do any changes on the subscriber sales table, it will be applied on the publisher. Bi-directional means both side changes will be applied. Okay, so we'll discuss about the merge publication. So for bi-directional, if customers are looking for bi-directional, they will usually use merge replication, guys. They will usually use merge replication. So in the organization, you might have transactional for unidirectional, merge for bi-directional replications will be configured, guys. Is agent mandatory for replication? Agent should be up and running or not an issue?
Yes, sir. Compulsory, sir.
So agent should be up and running, guys. Why? Because when you configure the replication, lot of jobs will be created. So these jobs will run automatically. We don't need to take care of those jobs. So those jobs will run automatically. So if agent is down, those jobs won't run. So your replication won't work, guys. Okay. So make sure your agent is up and running. Okay. Right. So chalo, let's check any table. Okay. Do we have any table? Let's check one table, guys. We'll try to add the same table. Okay, so merge replication, right? So we'll try to add one table from this Paytm to rep sub. Okay, we'll see how to, as we have already configured distributor and all, and I asked one question about the distributor, right? Multiple distributors. Is it possible
Multiple,
for
we
multiple?
can add. Yes, it's possible, sir.
Okay, so we can create multiple distributors, guys, no issues. Okay, so you will get multiple system databases, distributor system databases, but yeah, of course there is a chance to rename, right? So next time if you are creating one more distributor, you will give distribution_1, distribution_2, like that. Based on your requirements, you can give the name of the system database, guys. So multiple distribution databases are possible, multiple distributors also possible, guys. No issues. Okay, so let's try to create a publication first, as we have the distributor. So let's try to create the publication, guys. Go to replication. Okay, so once you go to the replication, there you can see local publications, local subscriptions. Go to local publication, create one publication, then go to your subscription, create one subscription, guys. So in that way we can configure the merge publication. Okay, so there are no prerequisites. Only for transaction replication you should have primary key.
Primary key.
Okay, you should have primary key. So for snapshot and for your merge replication and all, there is no prerequisite, guys. You can configure the merge replication without having any prerequisites also, right? So how the changes will be synchronized from your publisher to subscriber in the transaction replication? How the changes will be sent towards your subscriber side, okay, in your transaction replication? Which agent will help, guys, to transfer the
Log
data easily?
reader agent.
Log
sir.
reader agents.
Okay, so if I said agent, then then only you are saying. Okay, so I just asked this question in the other way. That's it, guys. Okay, so how the data will be transferred from your publisher to subscriber in your transaction application using your log reader agent. Log reader agent will play a key role, guys. It will keep running and it will keep scanning your publisher database log file. If it found any changes that belongs to that published articles, those changes will be sent towards your subscriber side, and those changes will be applied on the subscriber side, guys. So we have two publications as of now. One is snapshot, second one is this transactional publication. And you can see by using the icons, you can identify which is whether this is a snapshot or not. For snapshot publication, you can see a camera. If you can see a
Yes, sir.
camera icon, means that is a snapshot publication, guys. If you can see a server to server, okay, that is your transactional publication. Okay, let's configure a new publication. This time we'll configure merge publication, guys. Okay, next. So before doing that, let me try to open one table. Okay, from this any table you can open, guys. Okay, select top 1000 rows. We'll see. So we have three columns: patient ID, patient name, fees. Okay, so remember this one, guys. Okay, three columns we have. So let's try to configure replication on the patient records. So it was there in my Paytm database. Next. Okay, merge. This time merge, I'm going to choose, guys. Next. So this wizard will configure the publication to include only functionality supported by all support subscriber types. Okay, my subscriber type is 2008 and later, so it was already selected, so no need to select anything here. Go to next. Right, it is asking us to select the articles, guys. You can expand it, you can select the articles. Okay, patient records or Paytm transactions, whatever you want, you can select it. If you want both you can select it, no issues. Next, listen carefully, guys. A unique identifier columns will be added to the table. Okay, if you see here, there are three columns, right? Patient ID, patient name, fees. Once this patient records table is part of the merge replication or publication, one more column will be added to the table. One more column, a separate column will be added to the existing table. That column name is called row GUID column. Row GUID column. Okay, GUID column. Once if you added any article to the existing publication, okay, so one separate column will be added to the published article. Okay, so that is called row GUID column. I'll show you once it was configured. I'll show you. So no need to choose anything here. Okay, you can see all merge articles must contain a unique identifier column with a unique index and the row GUID column properties. SQL Server adds a unique identifier column to published tables that do not have one when snapshot is generated. Okay, go to next. So filter the table rows. I don't want to filter any table rows and all. I can proceed. Okay. Next, create the snapshot immediately. Schedule the snapshot. Next, give the security settings, guys. Okay. So this time what I am going to do, security logins. Okay. So I have to give my service account username. Okay. Control C and security settings and Control V. Okay. I'm just giving the password for the snapshot agent. Okay. So it is going to connect to the publisher by using these credentials. Okay. By impersonating. Click OK. Go to next. Next. Publication name. Okay. What is this publication name, guys? This is my merge pub. Okay. This is a merge publication. Finished. Right. Okay. So now it is adding the articles. It will create the publication first. You can see the first step, creating the publication. Once publication is created, is going to add the article. Once the articles are added, it will start the snapshot agent. Okay. So let it create the publication. Once it was done, we'll create the subscription, guys. Okay. So it was created. So now what is the next step, guys?
Next, to create subscription.
Next, create subscription. Okay, done. Okay. So go to your subscriber server node 2, go to the replication of node 2 and local subscriptions, guys. Node, right click, new subscription. Next, what is your publication, guys? Node 1, right? Find SQL Server Publisher. Select your node 1, connect, done. Here you can see guys, here. One is snapshot, you can see small camera icon. Second one is transactional publication, that you can see an arrow. Third one is merge publication, that you can see double arrow. 1 minute, guys, please, 1 minute. Right. Okay. So if you see the icons, okay, transaction publication, you can see one arrow. Snapshot publication, you can see small camera kind of thing. And merge publication, you can see double arrow. Okay. This side and that side, both sides you can see. Why? Because that is a bi-directional, right? So that's why you can see the icon. Next, I have selected merge only, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, right? Of course, push subscription. Next, subscriber will be my node to subscription, guys. Subscription database will be, you can choose subscription database. I'm going to use the same existing database. Next, of course, merge agent. So one more extra agent will be created in the merge, guys. In the snapshot replication, snapshot agent, distributor agent will be there. I'm sorry. In the transaction replication, snapshot agent, log reader agent, distributor agent will be there. And the merge replication snapshot agent, distributor agent, merge agent will be there. Okay, merge agent will take care of it, right? So select the security settings, give the security, give the security. Right. So I have to give the account name and of course that password, guys. Click OK. Right, done. Next. So subscriber distributor run continuously. Okay, you have to choose run continuously. This agent will run continuously. Next. Yes, guys. Okay, initialize the subscription immediately. Next, here you can see one important point, guys. This is very important. Conflicts. Okay, conflict, guys. What is meant by conflict? What is the meaning of conflict generally? Same persons are doing same thing on same object. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, conflict means two persons are accessing the object at the same time. You can call it as a conflict. Okay, so in the merge replication, actually in the transactional snapshot replication, if you are going to insert any records, those records will be inserted, or any changes, not only insert any changes. If you delete any records also, those changes will be applied on the subscriber side. So no issues. Always the data will comes from publisher side. Always data will goes to the subscriber side. One way, right? One unidirectional, right? Whereas in the merge replication, you can insert the data or you can do the changes from the publisher side. You can do the changes from subscriber side on the same article. Now I am configuring merge replication on patient records, right? For example, okay, one employee is there, one developer is there, two developers are there. So one developer is trying to insert the data, okay, on the same patient records from the publisher side. Another developer is also trying to insert the same record from the subscriber side. Same record, they both are trying to insert. Same record, they both are trying to insert on the one guy is inserting from publisher side, another guy is inserting from subscriber side. Knowingly or unknowingly, okay? So they are trying to insert, guys. That is at the same time. See, if this guy is inserting at 7:30, that guy is inserting at 7:31 or 7:30, 10 seconds, it won't create any issues, guys. Okay, but both are inserting same record at same time on same article, then it is called conflict. Then it is called conflict. So there might be chances that people can insert same records from both the ends. If that kind of conflict arises, how it is going to fix the issue, guys? SQL Server will automatically fix this issue. We have to choose one setting here that is called always. Okay, you have to choose. Okay, you have to choose server and you have to choose here 75% you can win, guys. If you go to the client side, okay, right here you can choose first to publisher win. Okay, make sure you choose this option. Okay, client side, first to publisher win. What is the meaning of this, guys? Always the changes, yes, first priority will be there from publisher side, means whatever changes you are doing from publisher, those changes will be applied first. Even though both are inserting the record on both the sides at a time, always publisher will win. Always publisher will win. Win means what? Whatever changes you are doing from publisher side will be applied first. Later the changes from the subscriber side will be applied. Got the point, guys? Always whatever changes you are doing from publisher side will win first. Later the subscriber side changes will be will execute, guys. So this is how the conflict will be fixed automatically in the merge replication. In the interview they will ask you this question, guys, how it is going to fix this kind of conflicts. Conflict arise, conflict detection, conflict. Okay, it is going to how it is going to fix the conflicts, guys. Okay, so in the while configuring the merge publication, we can set up, okay, always publisher will win. We can set up this setting during configuration of replication merge publication, so that whatever changes that you are doing from publisher will win first, then the changes from the subscriber will execute next. Okay, so this is called conflict detection and conflict resolution. Okay, conflict detection, conflict resolution, guys. So the answer is always publisher will win. We have to choose. Next, that's it, guys. Done. Finish. That is the only extra step. Okay, will be there in the. Okay, what happened? SQL Server, because it's going to one or more articles. Okay, so same. It is saying like you are trying to.
Transaction.
Yeah.
Mm.
You are trying to what we can say, publish it for the same database. That's why it is not possible. It is saying, okay, no problem. Okay, chalo, what we can do, this time we'll create a separate database. Okay, new subscription. Next, publication, SQL Server Publisher, node 1. Next, merge, right? Next, push. Next, of course, my subscription database. I'll create a separate new database this time. New database. Okay, merge demo. Okay, merge demo. The organization, you don't create any new databases and all. They will tell you to which database you have to subscribe. They will give you the publisher database name, subscriber database name. You have to subscribe to the particular database, guys. Next, security settings. Control V. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, run continuously. Next, next, always publisher will win. Next, next, finished. Okay, so just change the database to another database, guys. So now it will succeed. Now tell me the answer, guys. Can a article be a part of multiple publications?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Can article be a part of multiple publication? The answer is no. Okay.
Rose BOID.
Okay. So if you can see here, guys, you can see one more extra column, row GUID, not only in the subscriber side. You can see this is my publisher, right? B42 node 1. If you execute this query on the publisher side, then also you can see an extra column, guys. Okay. Hey, what happened? This is my node 1, right? It has to show select star from. Right. You can see here row GID column. You can see here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. Okay. So one more column. Can you guys tell me what is the use of this column?
Unique identification of the record.
Correct. Excellent, guys. So you can insert this ABC record either from publisher side or subscriber side. Okay. So how to identify whether it was inserted from a publisher side or subscriber side using this row GID column, guys. If you insert the record from publisher side, you will get a different number, row GID column. And if you insert the same record from another subscriber side, you will get a different number, guys. So this is how you can insert the records. This is how it is going to manage. This row GID column will help you to find out whether the record is inserted from publisher side or subscriber side, or record is deleted. Of course, once the record is deleted, you cannot see the entry right in the table. So this column will help you to identify whether the record is changed from which side, either from publisher side or subscriber side. You can easily identify, guys. That is the use of your particular merge publication. So this is how we have to configure the merge publication, guys. Any questions, any doubts? Okay, so inserting one record from publisher side, this time it's somewhat difficult, guys. Okay, not difficult, actually you have to follow different way. Why? Because you cannot directly insert, write the insert query, insert into, what is the table name? Patient records. Patient records, values. Okay, if you give seventh record, okay, what is that seventh record, right? DBC. Okay, DBC is there. VBC. Let's go with the UBC. Okay, done. And of course, okay, and money, right? 500. Okay. So can I execute this query, guys?
Column name is specified.
Column name.
Patient record, patient record bracket in the PID, patient ID and fee.
Sorry, I did not get you, Sanjeev.
Actually, sir, there are the patient record table. There are the 4 column, na? Or if passing the value only 3 column.
Okay. So
So
it will be
that
succeeded,
time
huh? It will fail.
no. It failed, sir.
Okay,
But
guys. So
row GUID by
yes.
okay.
Yeah, tell me, guess it. Row GID column will be added by default.
Yes, sir. By default, it will take.
So I can execute now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, can you identify the flow, how it was? Can you guess the next number, guys? Next value. EA,
FG,
EB, EC,
EG.
ED, EE, EF, EG, na?
Yes.
Okay. So like if you are inserting one record, you can guess like that. If you are inserting 100 or 1000 or 1 lakh records, are you going to guess? Are you going to give the values manually? Right? So that is very difficult thing, guys. So we'll insert now. If you execute this one, definitely it will be failed, guys. It won't allow. Okay, column name or number of supplied values does not meet the table definition. Table definition means what? Okay, actually 4 columns are there. You have to give 4 values, but you are giving 3 values. As per the table definition, you have to give 4 values, but you are giving only 3 values. How to fill the 4th values? That's why it was failed. You can give in another way, guys. You can insert only values for these 3 records, especially. Okay, specifically you can insert the values only for these 3 records. So in that way you can fix the issue. How to insert values in the specific columns, guys? Patient records.
Open bracket.
Open brackets. Someone started video. Please stop video, guys. Someone started video. Okay, very good. Again started video. Okay, very good. Okay.
PID.
PID, comma,
P
name, patient name,
patient name,
comma,
P.